Stop scrolling for a second. Listen closely to my voice. Does it sound real? What if I told you it was generated by a computer? And what if I told you that in the next 60 seconds, you learn the secret to cloning any voice you can imagine? Forget everything you thought you knew about AI. This changes the game. Let's go, okay? So first things first, signing up is super quick, no hassle at all. And honestly, the best part? The second you're in, they drop 10,000 free credits into your account. And they do that every single month, completely free. Alright, let's skip the boring stuff and get right to the magic. The voice clone part. You can seriously clone pretty much any voice you can think of. All you need is just a little bit of audio of them talking. So you just grab your audio file and drop it in. Then give it a name so you don't forget which one it is. I'll just call this a sample for now. Make sure you've got English selected down here. And then you just hit convert.
A few moments later.
Hello. I'm delighted to assist you with our voice services. Choose a voice that resonates with you, and let's begin our creative audio journey together.
Okay, so we've got our voice cloned. Let's grab it from the list. Now, I'll just paste in the script I wanted to read. But check this out, this is the really fun part. You get to be the director of the AI. See this? You can tell it how to say things. You can make it sound happy, angry, whatever you want. You can even play around with the pitch to get it perfect. There are also different models here you can try out for the best quality and accuracy. It's awesome how much control you get. Alright, once you've got it all dialed in, just hit generate. Give it a second, and there you have it. A perfect take.
You came to this city chasing a myth, fleeing the fragile weakness of the flesh. But the grand promise of godhood was just a faint whisper of chrome. You came to this city chasing a myth, fleeing the fragile weakness of the flesh, a prisoner of biology. But the grand promise of godhood was just a faint whisper of chrome. You let the city think for you, speak for you, bleed for you. A willing transaction, signed in blood and oil. You outsourced your soul, piece by piece, until nothing was truly your own. Your thoughts became an echo, a signal rented from a corporate tower.
Wake the fuck up, samurai!
Then you buried your flesh in polished metal. You replaced your eyes with optic sensors that could not weep, and your beating heart with a cold, silent pump, an engine for the void. But with every single upgrade, something truly essential was lost. The tremble of breath, the rhythm of blood, the sting of a tear, the final, bitter ache of being. Yet, you kept carving away. You called it evolution, a glorious climb toward cold, empty stars, far too busy to notice what of your own design had been permanently erased. You did not perish in fire or war. You were simply erased, a hollow ghost in the machine you built, with nothing to bury and no one to mourn. Only the cold residue of a legend, overwritten by its own design.